Hello everyone, how you doing? Alexandros here from the Island of Cyprus, and this video unfortunately will not be a combination like I usually do. This will be the only video that I'm going to do of its kind because I don't want to get you guys bothered with anything else, and to be completely honest and transparent from the beginning so you can click away from this video. This will be first why I'm doing this channel and the dream that I have, and the second how you can help me achieve that dream and make a better reality in this channel, better reality with better videos, better audio. Now I'm doing it on my mobile because my girlfriend stole my camera, and maybe it's better on the mobile, I don't know, better quality. And that's what I'll be talking about, and how you can help also with my Patreon account or a donation. So if you're not interested in that, just keep on watching the free content. It will keep on coming every day, and I have here the list, and you can go and have fun with those ones. And whoever is interested and thought that you had something from this channel given to you and you're having fun with it and you want to give back somehow, this is the video you want to watch and how you do it. Okay, let me first start and put this as a more compact discussion as I can, well, monologue as I can. But I would love it if it was a discussion, if I could get also from you suggestions what else I can do. Now, I got one comment that was so real. So funny, but so real, a little bit hurtful. One lady says, great content, but your videos look like they're made in the 80s. And you know what? She's absolutely right. My computer is over 6 years old. My camera is about 4 or 5 years old. It's a great DSLR for pictures. And a video only at daytime. Now I open the window so I have a little bit better quality. Now, I'm going off the subject. That will be the second subject. But she was telling the truth. My video quality has to get better. I feel also bad that I'm putting combinations out there with making you guys flinch a little bit, get a better quality, or have to put the high quality so you don't have that extra snowy into the screen. But anyway, what I'm really doing, the first thing in this video as I was talking about, is what I want to do with this channel. I want to have the only channel in the world that has the most combinations and figures and footworks and salsa and bachata from one person. Yes, I don't want to upload 1,000 videos and have 200, 300 other teachers. I want to be the one that's always teaching you. I want to be the one that always puts out figures. And some of my people here in my own country, Cyprus, are like, Alex, why are you doing this? This is your work. And I'm like, exactly. I know it's cliche, but when I leave this world, I need to leave something behind. And this channel can be 1 billion people seeing it or one person. If that one person got something from me, a little combination, and I had fun out socially, then I got what I wanted from this channel. But there's a little bit better we can do with it. And that brings us to the second thing that I want to talk about, how you can help, if you like, with financial support. I have a link here and here, which is donation. It's my official website, x-pressions.biz, like my dance school, expressions. Express yourself through dancing, yeah. And you can go and give any donation, any amount of donation, from €1 to 20, whatever you like. Sometimes in my guitar channel, which is right here, I had that since 2007, and I've been doing the same thing. I have hundreds and hundreds of videos there where I teach free guitar. Because again, give or lose it, that's my channel. Whatever is not given is lost, and especially knowledge. So I don't want everything that I've learned and everything that I do not to be taught. I want them to be out there. And I have, I think, reached a level where it just doesn't finish. You always make up new stuff. You always see new stuff. You take new stuff as well. We cheat from each other. We steal from each other. And you create your own unique stuff with it. All right, so a second way that you can support is through the Patreon account that I made. Yeah, that's monthly subscriptions, small amounts where you can help. Now, why do I need that? I should have said that earlier, but I want to make this video without cuts, just from my mobile, straight away, as honest as it can be. I need a better camera. That's about 300 to 400 euros, because when I film at daytime, so I have a better quality with the sun, there's too much loud and traffic going on. I don't know if the mobile picks up all of this. And if I do at nighttime, we get a grainy image because of the old camera. After that, I want to get about 100 to 200 light set and I need 3 of them, so that's about 600 euros to put out every time. I want to get a better microphone instead of the camera to have that so you can hear only my voice. And hopefully, maybe if this works out with the donations, maybe get also a good brand new computer so it doesn't take too many hours to do my work as well. Now, I'm not going to complain. This is the end of the video. I'm just going to say it so you know that it does take from 6 to 10, sometimes even 11, 12 hours to finish a couple of videos that I'm releasing. And I've been doing it lately every day. Now, why am I taking that time? It's out of my sleep, out of my business, because I also work full-time here as a dancer. I have to do rehearsals, I have to do this, I have to do talk with people over the phone. Sometimes I leave some of that behind so I can help this channel alone. And you know, you put your clothes, you go, you do the combination, you put the music, you do it 2-3 times, then you do it once more, you have the good roll. Yeah, we don't do it perfect the first time, it happens, we do mistakes. And then you have to do another video explaining what's happening, and then do another video breaking it down. And after I finish that, I go change, I go in my room, I relax a little bit, and then I start editing for a couple of hours. The export takes also a couple of hours because the computer is 5-6 years old. And then after that, uploading, even if I have a good connection, because again of the computer speed, it takes hours and hours until I upload. At the same time, I put all the keywords for people to find it. You know how it works if you ever tried uploading a video on YouTube. And I'm very proud to say that in this channel, I've reached the hundreds of videos as well. And I hope I reach 1,000. That will be a miracle. But I want to reach it with better quality videos, better sound quality, and help me get this channel going. Not necessarily finding more people or the millions of people, but the people who are already watching getting a better quality of everything. So if you want to support this channel and not have background noises like this happening all the time, you can give a donation or support through the Patreon website, which once more is a subscription monthly, small amount of donations or subscription every month that helps me get that and hopefully reach. It might take months, but reach the amount that I want to take that and splur it and give it in the channel to make it better. So I'm yapping a little bit more than I should, but I wanted to be as transparent as possible. The channel, you can check it out as well in Social Blade. If you put the channel, you can see how much it's making. It's making about 10 to 12 euros a month. So even if I am getting a lot of views, it doesn't mean that I'm getting a lot of cash. So I can take that and make the cameras better, the computers better, and all that. So if you like to support, you know what to do. And this will be the only video of its kind. For some of you that watched it till the end, thank you very much. And I'll see you on the next dancing video. Bye-bye.